happened to that lobster antenna? Come on, give me some more lobster antenna. There we go.
He doesn't like it when it gets down to the juicy fat part. He just likes the ends.
Oh my God. Lobster. Oh, I dropped an... I am making such a mess. Well, you know, lobster's messy. Come on, babe. There we go. Oh my goodness. Lobster. Oh, there's a tidbit of lobster. Yummy. Look, Mom had a gigantic 2-pound lobster. Dad had a big lobster. And I'm having lobster.
Dad eats much faster than Mom does, because Mom hasn't even started on her little...
Oh my goodness, this is so good. Oh. Why don't we have this more often?
I don't know.
What's the matter? Are you people poor or something? We should be having lobster
That is good.
every day, several times a day, I think. That's what I'm thinking.
You should try one of these, knuckles. Knuckles are good too.
You know, I think the antenna is very underrated in terms of its delicacy. It's chewy. It's got good flavor. Look at red and pretty.
That fast sucking, Mom. Mom sucks.
Up. That was me. I had a little gas attack. It's the lobster.
She's all right, mister. You just keep eating. Hello.
Lucy, I'm not interested in lobster. I'm not eating it. I refuse.
She doesn't like lobster.
Up. It's the Twilight Zone. See?
Hey, you want some of that?
Okay.
Want some of that? Do you want some knuckles?
Knuckles. Hey, there's
You gave me the
Lucy.
monster lobster.
Lucy, what are you doing?
I'm trying to come over there. Come on, Bob. Ah, big fingies.
There's Lucy.
Come on. Come on, Luz. Come on.
Lucy, I want to get the controls and turn down the commercials.
Not me. I want to eat lobster.
So good.
Oh, yeah. Lobster antenna.
What are these little vegetative pieces in here that feel like you're chomping on plant life when you eat them?
Oh.
That's kind of weird. Freaky.
Lungs. See? Oh, look at this mess. Oh, Dad finished his lobster. Nothing there.
Mom's not done.
Not me. I'm eating more antennas.
Oh my God, look at this. I'm not nearly done here. You gave me the monstrous lobster. Here. That's yours. So have I. Somebody's got to eat it.
Oh, this is so good. Come on, sweetie.
My favorite food. So good.
I like to be hand-fed lobster.
Look at his face. That's so good. Kind of like eating a chicken back. little.
Okay, mister, I'm not going to be holding lobster
Where did
for you
these
all
come
night.
from anyway, do you know?
Not China.
Because
Look,
I thought that they banned lobster.
Look, he's going to get up in the bowl.
Come here, baby.
what that? Oh, I don't know. It's good though. What is it? It's a beak wiper.
I'm going to eat it if you don't. I'm going to poop it.
Ah, it's a toilet. No, it's a beak wiper.
Oh, throw
Oh,
that in there. See if,
there's
you,
it.
see if you can make him go in there.
Oh,
Does he like it?
that's. What's this? This is like real chunks of lobster. You've been giving me the antennas. I didn't know you could have real chunks of lobster. Oh, that's good. Oh, okay. Come on, you.
Mm.
I haven't had enough. Oh.
This is better than chicken backs. Hey, baby. I don't know what it is. I don't know if I should eat it. This I know what it is. I can eat this. I've eaten this before and I haven't died, so it's... Uh-oh. I left some pieces here for later. In 2 or 3 days, these are going to taste really good. Yummy.
Come on, sweetie.
If I can get Mommy not to clean them up, that would be a good thing.
Really, really cutie.
You're missing the chicken backs.
I love being photographed. I could have been a big star in Australia.
Teal boy. Oh, what are they doing? What are they doing to our dad?
Ah, they took her mask off.
Oh no.
Oh my God, it turns out that the doctors and nurses are the ugly ones. Oh my God.
Honey, eat your chicken back.
That's, oh, they look worse than Donna Douglas.
Donna Douglas looks pretty good, actually. What you doing, Dad? What's that? Is there something to eat up there? Look at this piece. This chicken. No, you can't have it. You have your own. Okay. Come on. No, no, not for him. For you. No, 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 no. No, that's not a bird piece. That's a people piece. That's not a bird piece.
This
There.
is not a bird piece.
That is beautiful. If you don't eat it, you're crazy. Did you eat it?
Mmm. Up. Oh, you left a little bits behind it.
Oh, birdie bits. You can't have the liver. You'll die if you eat the liver. You can have these bits though.
Oh.
Have some bits. Hang on. Hey. Don't throw them all over the floor.
Oh, that's good. One can't get enough lobster.
Mommy has had enough lobster. At this point, we have had enough lobster.
Not me.
Daddy has a nice big chunk of lobster over there to eat.
Come on, baby. Oh, you're out of camera range. Come Come on. Come on. Come on, say hello to people.
What people? Just your mom.
Up.
You know me. I don't need to.
All right.